Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yael.
And I'm Jess.
Today we're going to be making soap.
Alright, let's get started. Yael, what kind of soaps do we buy?
We bought cocoa butter and honey soap. You want to cut your soap into 1-inch cubes.
Okay, so we've got our measuring cup full of soap. This will be our first batch.
So we're going to use some mica powders to color up our soap. What you also need is you need a few molds.
If you don't have any specialty mold at your house, you could also use a muffin tin.
Or Tupperware. The first type of soap we're going to make is peppermint. We started by adding some peppermint oil to our white soap. That's strong enough. Then we filled their molds halfway.
We set our white soap aside for a few minutes, and while we waited, we added our red mica powder to our clear soap base.
Then we poured our red soap on top of our white soap and swirled it a bit. While we waited, we cut some peppermint chunks that we had made earlier. We made these by layering white and red soap beforehand. They look so much like candy. I want to eat them. Lastly, we sprinkled some of the things that look so much like candy on top. Honey soap. For our honey soap, we added some honey oil and some gold, very pretty, sparkly mica powder and some oatmeal.
Next, we mixed together some French vanilla soap. For this one, we used French vanilla oil, and we dyed it yellow.
And we threw in some lemon zest to give it that extra kick. The next soap is coconut lime. I'm going to be adding some peacock blue and some lemon zest and mint leaves. Now for a reliable classic, lavender. We made a pretty purple by mixing some red and blue mica powder. We also added in some dried out lavender buds. These are always a big hit at all my school craft fairs. With the leftover soap, we made some color block bars.
We tilted our mold so our soap would dry on different angles. Alright guys, we're done. We have all our soaps here. They've been sitting for about an hour probably, and they're pretty dry, so we're gonna start popping them out of their shells. Starting with the, which one's this? French vanilla? Can I smell?
Ooh.
Oh, it's a bell. Isn't that cute? French vanilla and lemon. Oh my gosh, guys, this turned out so amazing. That one's got the white on top and this one's got red. Ooh. And all of them are so different, which is what's so fun about it.
Should we try out these ones?
Honey and oatmeal. Oh, I love that one. It's very shimmery and nice.
Yeah.
The lavender ones are very classy. Nice purple color. This was a variety mix. We did a layered soap with these pastel yellow, pink, and blue colors. This one was the coconut lime. We used mint leaves, lemon zest, and blue dye.
Then we have one more lavender.
This one was color blocked, so we tried to do different angles.
Oh, okay. Now.
These are just what we used for the leftovers. You can use an ice cube tray.
I think that's all.
Yeah, these are our soaps. Which one's your favorite, Yael?
For the colors, I like this one for the best color.
And
Like a multi-color.
for the best scent?
Lavender.
My favorite one looking is this one. I love this peppermint one. I think it's perfect and it looks delicious and Christmassy. And my favorite scent is, I think my favorite scent's always been coconut lime. And also French vanilla. I don't know if I can pick. Anyway guys, that wraps up our soap making video.
We also collabed over on her channel and we made some beautiful Christmas trees.
Yeah, so we'll link that below. Go check it out.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.